Hi, I'm Todd Ale. I'm going to talk about the lift, or the retake, or the rebound, or bow circles, as some of you might know them. It's just the point where you come off the string and then reapply the bow to the string. So usually it's done with 2 downs, correct? I was on an orchestra tour once with a college orchestra. We went to Korea and they put us on television, and there was a TV camera right next to me, and it had a red light on it, and when the red light would go on and the camera would point at me, I knew that they were watching me. And I remember having difficulty setting my bow back down because I got nervous when that light was on. And it's important to know that if you get tense when you're doing this, the easiest way to release that tension is to breathe out. So you breathe out when you set the bow down, and it makes it so much easier for you to do what you know how to do. But let's train this. What I want you to do is start maybe just a little below the balance point. Okay, get your bow hand. Now you're going to, first of all, maybe you learned to make circles, maybe the size of an orange. Okay, now we're going to get harder with this, or more advanced. You could make it the size of a grapefruit. Always coming back, releasing the tension. Maybe the fingers have springs in them, so when you set it down, there's an absorption in the hand so that it doesn't bump. It's a great exercise just to close your eyes and see if you can find one particular string. So I might be aiming for D, close my eyes, find D. Okay, close my eyes, find D. Now if you're a more advanced student and you want your retakes to be effortless or silent, one of the things that can get in your way is if your tip makes a bigger circle than your hand, or even the same size. So what I do, and was taught, was to try and let the tip stay down through the retake. So you're making an ellipse instead of a true circle. So watch my tip when I do this. It almost stays in one place. Do you see that? The stick is moving, but the tip does not make the circle. Not that. So if you're advanced enough to try this, you can also try adding some finger flexibility to it. They might extend when you come off the string and then come back when you reapply. Okay? It also helps sometimes to come in at a slight angle with the hair. A slight angle. I mean, not an extreme angle. But if you'll attack the string, that's an ugly word, attack, but if you will set it down on the side of the hair, it will absorb partly the bounce, so you don't get the bounce, and maybe too much noise in the attack. So you'll set it down just a little bit on the side of the hair. Okay? Practice your retakes, or your lifts, or your rebounds, or your bow circles. Okay? Hope it works. Thanks.